And good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Garrity RV, Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a quick video tour this morning of this Bighorn $39.95 beautiful front kitchen. Alright, as we come up the steps here, you'll notice we have the large full step system. Makes it nice and convenient with the large grab handle to walk into the coach. You've got a wind resistant door, so you don't have to use a tie back to hold that door in position. And as you step right in, you're going to notice your control panel, and that's where all of the controls are right here as you step in the coach. So you can set the lights, open the slides, and do all of that right here as we step in the coach. As we head up the stairs here, you're going to notice we have a nice grab handle, which a lot of coaches don't do. But again, this is a residential coach designed to live in, and so it's set up as such. We've got a beautiful front kitchen with a nice large front window in that front cap. Lots of counter space, large sink, lots of cabinet and drawer space, large 4-door refrigerator, nice bar area to sit at as you're having your morning coffee, watching the news. It's just a beautiful setup. Lots and lots of space for especially you folks that live in these, that spend extended time. You really come to enjoy this kitchen area. As we step back down into the living area, you're going to have your theater seating, which as you see sits directly in front of the TV. They are power seats. They have USB ports, so you can be charging your phone or your laptop while you're sitting here. There's 110 power directly behind you. Nice overhead lights, ceiling fan, all LED lighting, whisper quiet air conditioning system, a dinette table that seats 4. There are 2 additional chairs that come with the coach. Nice electric fireplace that works as a heater, Jensen surround system, CD, DVD player with a large 4K flat screen television. Walking into the bathroom, one of the really nice things I like about this product line, you've got a walk-in shower, which is not really uncommon, but you have a one-piece fiberglass walk-in shower with a nice seat. So it's one piece. You've got a porcelain toilet, nice stone counter with a nice large sink, a deep well sink, medicine cabinet to put all your stuff. Plenty of room in here for your toiletry items and bath items. Just a nice setup for that full-time living. We're going to walk back to the back of the coach here, and this is where the master bedroom is. Nice large master bedroom with a king-size bed. As you can see, you've got tons of drawer space. You've got cabinets on both sides, so you've got his and her shirt closet area there, if you will, and a nice spot to put a washer dryer. You're going to notice as we walk back down the hall and into the living area again, I wanted to point out all of the really nice woodwork they do in this coach, the ceiling fan, again a whisper quiet air conditioning system so you don't have that loud obnoxious air conditioning system. Just a lot of great features. Let's go back outside and walk back around. We're going to start here at the front cap. We've got a solid front cap. It is automotive painted. You do have this big front window in here as well. And that automotive paint, it gives you an extended warranty on that. This coach is going to come with a 3-year chassis warranty on it and a 1-year for the coach. You've got frameless windows. You've got outdoor speakers. You've got a large extension awning that covers both of the slide outs here on the side. On this coach, you've actually got 3 slide outs on one side. And coming around to the other side of the coach, you're going to have a receiver hitch in the back so that you can add a bike rack or a kayak rack or an additional storage rack. The roof is a completely walkable roof, one-piece rubber membrane roof, well sealed. Coming around to the other side of the coach, you're going to notice we have a nice docking station. It's all enclosed, heated underbelly, heated front compartment, large front compartment area, and a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. This is just a fabulous residential coach Bighorn is a well-known brand built by Heartland. And thank you for visiting and giving me your time this morning, doing a video presentation of this Bighorn $39.95 front kitchen residential coach. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010. Ask for Ron McGowen. Thank you and have a great day.